In today's video, we will delve into the often overlooked yet crucial component of your vehicle, the gas cap. Surprisingly, nearly 20% of engine performance issues can be traced back to this small but significant part. A properly functioning gas cap is essential not only for maintaining fuel efficiency, but also for ensuring the longevity of your engine. When the gas cap is damaged or not sealed correctly, it can lead to fuel evaporation and decreased performance, costing you both money and efficiency. Throughout this video, we will share practical tips and insights that will help you enhance your vehicle's performance by properly maintaining your gas cap. By the end, you'll understand how this simple component plays a vital role in your car's overall health and efficiency. Replacing a damaged gas cap, a small fix for big gains. Replacing a damaged gas cap is essential for maintaining proper engine pressure and overall performance. A worn or faulty gas cap can disrupt fuel vapor pressure, leading to inefficient combustion and reduced engine efficiency. When the fuel system is not sealed correctly, it can cause fuel vapors to escape, resulting in poor fuel economy and increased emissions. Fortunately, replacing a gas cap is a cost-effective solution, typically costing under $20, making it an easy fix for a significant issue. By ensuring that your gas cap is in good condition, you help maintain a properly sealed fuel system, which is crucial for optimal engine function. This simple yet vital component plays a key role in your vehicle's performance, so don't overlook its importance in keeping your engine running smoothly. Additionally, a faulty gas cap can trigger the check engine light, causing unnecessary panic or even costly diagnostic checks. Many drivers spend time and money trying to fix problems that are actually just caused by a loose or damaged gas cap. Always make sure the cap clicks securely after refueling, and if it's cracked, warped, or no longer fits tightly, it's time for a replacement. Investing a few dollars in a new gas cap can save you from headaches down the road and ensure your vehicle meets emission standards. Loose gas cap issues. Fix it before it costs you. A loose gas cap can significantly impact engine performance and may even trigger the check engine light. When the gas cap is not securely fastened, it can lead to fuel vapor leaks, which not only affects fuel efficiency, but also causes trouble codes to be generated in the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. This can result in unnecessary trips to the mechanic and costly repairs. Fortunately, resolving this common issue is simple. Often, all it takes is tightening the gas cap to restore proper sealing. If the cap is damaged or worn, replacing it is an easy and affordable solution. By addressing a loose gas cap promptly, you can improve your engine's behavior, enhance fuel efficiency, and prevent further complications, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. What many people don't realize is that a gas cap is more than just a lid. It's an important part of the car's evaporative emission system. When it's loose or faulty, harmful fuel vapors escape into the atmosphere instead of being recycled and burned in the engine. This not only harms your fuel economy, but also the environment. It's a small issue that can have bigger consequences if ignored. So make it a habit to check your gas cap regularly. Always twist it until you hear the click, and if you notice any cracks or looseness, replace it right away. It's a simple fix that can save you money and trouble in the long run. The importance of cleaning your gas cap area. Cleaning the gas cap and its surrounding area is crucial for ensuring optimal sealing and maintaining engine performance. Dirt and grime can accumulate around the gas cap, compromising its seal and leading to fuel vapor leaks, which negatively impact fuel efficiency and overall engine function. To restore the gas cap's functionality, using a cleaning solution like WD-40 can be highly effective. This product helps break down stubborn grime and ensures a tight seal when the cap is replaced. Additionally, maintaining a clean filler neck is essential for better fuel system pressure as it prevents contaminants from entering the fuel system. By regularly cleaning the gas cap and its area, you not only enhance the performance of your vehicle, but also contribute to its longevity and efficiency, making it a simple yet vital maintenance task. Many people don't realize that even a small amount of dirt can stop the gas cap from sealing properly. If the seal is broken, the fuel system can't hold pressure, which can lead to problems like a rough idle, lower gas mileage, and even engine warning lights. Use a clean cloth to wipe away dust and debris, especially around the rubber gasket and the opening of the fuel filler. Do this every few weeks or after driving in dirty or dusty conditions. This small step helps avoid bigger fuel system issues later and keeps your car running smoothly for longer. Vented versus non-vented gas caps. Know the difference. Understanding the differences between vented and non-vented gas caps is very important if you want your vehicle to run smoothly. A vented gas cap is designed to let air into the fuel tank as the fuel is used up. This helps maintain proper air pressure inside the tank, which is needed for fuel to flow correctly to the engine. On the other hand, a non-vented gas cap seals the tank completely and is usually used in vehicles that have a separate built-in venting system. If you use the wrong type of gas cap, it can confuse your car's sensors. This might cause the check engine light to come on, lead to poor fuel economy, or even make the engine run rough. It's always best to check your vehicle's owner's manual to find out which type your car needs. If you're not sure, ask a trusted mechanic or visit a dealership. Using the right gas cap helps your car's fuel system work properly, keeps your emissions low, and prevents pressure problems inside the tank. It's a small part that plays a big role in keeping your engine healthy and efficient over time. Don't ignore the rubber gasket. The rubber gasket on a gas cap plays a crucial role in maintaining a proper seal, which is vital for optimal engine performance. When the gasket gets old, dry, or cracked, it may no longer seal tightly. This leads to vapor loss, which can lower your fuel economy and trigger the check engine light. It also lets harmful fuel vapors escape into the air, increasing pollution. A loose or damaged seal can also let dirt, moisture, or water get into the gas tank, especially when it rains or you wash your car, which may lead to rust or clogged fuel lines. Luckily, fixing this problem is easy. Many auto parts stores sell replacement gaskets separately, or you can replace the entire gas cap for a few dollars. It takes just a few minutes to swap out, but it protects your entire fuel system from future trouble. It's a simple part, but it has a big job. So, the next time you inspect your car, take a close look at the gas cap gasket. Your engine will thank you for it. Bonus tip: gas cap warning signs you shouldn't ignore. There are a few telltale signs that your gas cap might be failing. If you frequently smell fuel around your car, notice a drop in fuel economy, or see the check engine light turn on, the gas cap could be the culprit. In many newer vehicles, a specific warning light may even appear if the gas cap isn't sealed properly. These signs should never be ignored, as a faulty gas cap can allow fuel vapors to escape, negatively affecting your car's performance and emissions. Fortunately, the fix is often simple and inexpensive. A quick inspection and a $15 replacement can potentially save you hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees and repairs. Taking a few minutes to check your gas cap could prevent unnecessary trips to the mechanic and keep your vehicle running more efficiently. How to check and replace your gas cap at home. Checking your gas cap is a quick and easy DIY task that can save you from future headaches. Open the fuel door and examine the cap for cracks, missing rubber seals, or excessive dirt buildup. A damaged or loose-fitting cap can lead to fuel vapor leaks and trigger the check engine light. If your cap spins too easily or doesn't click into place, it may not be sealing properly. To replace it, simply unscrew the old one and screw in a new one, making sure it clicks securely. This sound confirms it's locked and sealed tight. You can find OEM or aftermarket replacements online or at your local auto parts store, often for under $20. It's also a good idea to clean the filler neck area to ensure a proper seal. Performing this quick check during routine fill-ups can keep your car running efficiently and help you avoid costly emissions-related issues. In summary, the gas cap plays a vital role in your vehicle's performance by maintaining fuel vapor pressure, preventing leaks, and keeping the fuel system clean. A properly functioning gas cap is a small but essential part of engine efficiency and overall health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other car enthusiasts. Check out our related videos for more maintenance tips, and don't hesitate to join the conversation in the comments. Ask questions, share your experiences, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps us create better content.